Do you need a snack? Do you need to burn your whole business down? Do you need to take a nap? Or do you just need to come to my workshop on Friday? If you are someone who swings wildly from being really excited about the work that you do, making money, being seen, and then periods of time where you're stuck on the couch, can't get out of bed, feeling really depressed and annoyed about your business and your clients, and you think it's something wrong with you, and then you feel like you need to burn the whole thing down, and you're a deeply creative and deeply empathic person that has set out to run your own business and live your life the way you want to, but you just struggle with navigating the unknown and building a life that you can step into sustainably as a business owner, then my workshop on Friday is the perfect thing for you. Mastering Cycles of Desire, Death, and Rebirth is a 90-minute-ish workshop designed to help you identify exactly what your natural cycle is as you move from a new desire coming forward, the death of the old that has to fall away, that could be energy, people, or stories, and then the rebirth into the new normal. And why I'm so excited to share this work with you is I spent so many years thinking that I was totally losing my mind as I would move through these different cycles of stepping into a new level of desire, of something that I want, or a new way of living that I wanted to embody. And I would get lit on fire and super excited with these expansions of the desire coming forward, and then hit the death or the falling away of the old stories or people in my life that I had to clear out in order to step forward into bringing this desire forward. And then finally, as I was rebirthed onto this new plane, there would be a really visceral contraction that I would have following big wins or finally achieving something I had fought so hard to get. So this workshop is designed to help you identify your own cycle and then how to build in the simple structures and systems into your business to be able to support you as you move through your process. Being able to identify your process or your cycle is not only empowering in just being like, oh, I can just tell where I'm at in my cycle, I'm not losing my mind. It's also a way of kind of hacking somatics. So using the messages from your body and from your emotions as a way to see where you're at on your cycle. That way you can build in the systems, structures, and support to help facilitate you being able to fully drop into your process. And it makes your cycle move a lot easier, and it helps your business land in a sustainable way so that you can navigate big changes safely and with the support that you actually need. And most importantly, helps create your business and the way you want to live your life become something that's way more sustainable, and you're able to ground and anchor the big emotions that come along with it so you don't quit. So I will be meeting you 10 a.m. on Friday, Pacific Standard Time, in a 90-minute-ish workshop where we will go through exactly how to identify your own unique cycle, how to build the systems and structures that will support your nervous system and your business so you can make more money and make bigger moves safely. And then we'll also be moving us through a somatic practice to help land your desires and clear out the old on this plane. I have a link in my bio to save your spot. I've got a few spots left, and I would love to see you there.